Hello and welcome to medicinal chemistry classes. Today we will discuss about calcium channel blockers. So calcium channel blockers are the drugs used to lower the blood pressure. They work by slowing the movement of calcium into the cell of the heart and blood vessel wall, which makes it easier for the heart to pump and wide blood vessels. As a result, the heart doesn't have to work as hard and blood pressure lower. The uses of the calcium channel blocker in the treatment of high blood pressure, angina pectoris, abnormal heart rhythm. They are also used for the treating other conditions such as high blood pressure in the pulmonary arteries, cardiomyopathy, preventing migraine headache. Okay. So what is uses of calcium channel blockers? It is used in the high blood pressure, angina pectoris, abnormal heart rhythm. They are also used for the treating other conditions such as high blood pressure in pulmonary artery, cardiomyopathy, and preventing migraine headache. The common side effect of calcium channel blockers includes headache, next constipation, rashes, nausea, flushing, edema, drowsiness, lower blood pressure and dizziness. It is the common side effect of calcium channel blocker. The mechanism of action of calcium channel blocker is it lower blood pressure and preventing calcium from entering the cell or heart and artery. The calcium are responsible for the contraction of blood vessels, and the calcium channel blocker allow blood vessel to relaxation of heart muscle and smooth muscle cell opening. These ultimately reduce the amount of oxygen. So it is the mechanism of action of calcium channel blocker. The drug used as an calcium channel blocker is verapamil. The verapamil is relaxing the muscle of heart and blood vessel. It also increases the ability to exercise, which further decrease the chance of angina attack, and it is given by orally in extended, sustained and immediate release capsule and tablets. The side effect of this drug is constipation, dizziness, nausea, lower blood pressure and headache. The contraindication of verapamil is a skin sneeze syndrome. Next contraindication is severe heart failure, low heartbeats. Next is heart rhythm disorder. It is the contraindication of verapamil drug. Next drug is pipridyl hydrochloride. It is the hydrochloride salt of pipridyl, which is a calcium channel antagonist. It has inhibitory effect on slow calcium and fast sodium inward currents. It blocks both voltage and receptor opioid calcium channel. It blocks both voltage and receptor opioid calcium channel. Because of its dual action, it is used in the treatment of chronic, stable and variant angina pectoris. It is given by orally, maybe alone or in the combination with beta blocker and nitrate. Next drug is diltiazem hydrochloride. It is calcium channel blocker. It relaxing the muscle of heart and blood vessel. It useful in the hypotension and angina. The contraindication of this drug, it is avoided in certain conditions such as lower blood pressure, six knees syndrome and recent heart attack. The the side effect of this drug is slow heartbeats, swelling, rapid weight gain, nausea, loss of appetite, fever and burning in eyes. It is a side effect of this drug. Next drug is amlodipine. The amlodipine dilate the blood vessel and improve blood flow. It is used in the treatment of angina and other coronary artery disease. It may help to increase your ability to exercise. The side effect of amlodipine is difficulty in breathing, swelling of face, lips, tongue or throat. The amlodipine is contraindicated in the patient suffering with hypertension to dihydropyridine amlodipine. The drug should be avoided in the patient suffering from unstable heart failure after acute myocardial infarction. Next drug is felodipine. It is used in the treatment of high blood pressure. It prevents stroke, heart attack and kidney problem. This drug is contraindicated in the precaution is required if the person is already suffering from congestive heart failure, liver disease, swelling of arm and legs. The side effect of this drug is dizziness, flushing, headache and stomach upset. Thank you.